Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2653.8530, as you can see looking at this particular chart. See, the gold, what we have seen in previous years, that the gold was moving in a particular manner. Okay, this was the pattern that we have seen. Okay, these are the smaller pattern. A bigger pattern is formed at a 2012 to 2020, which is a previous pattern. You can see at looking at this particular chart, and a similar patterns are formed. Okay, and whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall is coming. Okay, now after crossing this level, we have seen it was in this particular zone. As soon as this breakout happens, which happened at a level of 2468. Okay, after this level, we have seen there is a continuous upside, and 3 times it made an all-time high, higher and higher. Whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall is coming. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, probability is very high that if the price started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see, and a probability of crossing 2671 will be there, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross a level of 2684, and once started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and this is the zone where we have seen. So if it started going upside, we can see there will be a further high we can see. Looking at this particular chart, what I have told you, that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Similarly, what we can see, there can be a probability that a further fall we can happen because a profit booking has come. Dollar index, I have clearly told you that dollar index, if it started going below a level of 100.5, a further downfall we can see. And if started going below this particular level, a probability of crossing a level of 100 also we can see, and then it can go towards $99.5 because there will be a zone breakout and there is continuous downfall we have seen. But if I have told you that if the price started going above a level of 101.5, which is a strong resistance, that it can go further upside, now trading at a level of $102.4. Okay, and then this level we have seen in the 15th of August of 2024, that is it's around a month you can say, or even more than a month. So if it started sustaining of this level, we can see a level of 103, and if that level goes upside, a further upside we can see. Okay, so you have to understand, if it started sustaining of 101.5, we can see a further high. Remember that if the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the gold price moves down, we can see that the dollar started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Okay, so if it started going, dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price will go up. This is the vice versa relation between the two. Okay, so always try to put the SL if the market is uncertain. Market is always uncertain, you have to understand that, and always try to put the SL so your capital will be safe, and trail your SL so your profit will be safe. Now coming back on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the 15 minutes chart also, I have to explain you because it is very important. See, the volatility is good, so what you can do is, whenever the breakout happening in the 15 minutes, there is a probability of buying and selling. See, if there is a breakout at 15 minutes chart, there is a probability it can go, and there is a continuous downfall we can see. So if the price started going below a level of 2642, a further downfall we can see, but if started sustaining up 2662, a further upside we can see. Okay, if you look at the 2 hours chart also, you will see how it is moving. See, 2 hours chart, it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. So you can see if the price started going over 2664, then a probability of upside will be there. But if it started falling below 2638, a further downfall we can see, because see, these patterns are formed, so you have to understand looking at this particular chart. Okay, now on the day wise chart, you will see how the price is moving. See, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards this next level of $2663, which is already been weak support, so chances are high it will go weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and a probability of crossing a level of around, you can say, $264.5 will be there, and once started going up this level, a probability of touching $266 will be there, and once the price moving up this level, we will see it will cross a level of $2670, because this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross this level, and then it can go towards $2673. Once the price moving over this level, we can see it will go towards 26.74, and from there a further upside we can see towards $26.85. Okay, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside movement we can see towards 2700. Keep trailing your SL by $7 so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if started didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a support of 2649, and once started falling below this level, a level of 2642 we can see. Once the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 2641, then to a level of $26.36. Okay, and then a level of around 2631. As soon as the price started going below a level of 26.31, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $26. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 26.22. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, as soon as it started falling below 26.22, chance of touching 26.13 will be there, and then a fall we can see towards 2600. Okay, and once the price falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And once the price started falling below 2600, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.